Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can trace image in LightBurn. Now, in order to do this, you must import your image onto the canvas first. Right click on it, and instead of clicking the trace image, we first have to click adjust image and make sure that it's properly highlighted onto the preview screen right here. So let's reduce something like our contrast, same thing with the brightness, and lastly for gamma. And it's really important to select something like threshold in order to make sure that everything is selected on our image itself. And then we have the ability to simply adjust the radius, and same thing with the enhance amount. So from there, right after adjusting everything, let's then click on OK. Right click on it, and then click on the save process bitmap. So you can just save this to whatever location you want to. Now, to make things easier, I'm just going to navigate through my documents and then save it as this specific bitmap right here. From there, let's go ahead and simply open it up. And basically, here we have it. So from there, now it's time to click on the image itself. Click trace image, and then now we have, or we can properly adjust this accordingly. So we just have to click on OK. And now we have successfully traced our image in LightBurn. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.